feel better, sleep better, cure the headache, or fight against insomnia, please be with me as we study together or learn together some practical steps, practical ways on how to achieve all these things. Hello everyone, welcome once again to LV Amor Vlogs, and this is your friend Lou Amor. I hope everybody is happy and healthy. So without further ado, let's get started. So before, I would like to introduce to you this thing here. This is head massager, very cheap, very affordable, and we can buy this in sidewalk vendors or in some department stores. No, so this is the thing. So this is used to massage the head. So we have to massage our head before going to bed for feeling better, or in order for us to go to sleep right away, to solve insomnia, or even to cure the headache, so or the migraine. Just massage this one, no, into our head. We can put pressure into it, or just be a little in a slow pace, and then we can do this within 10 to 15 minutes. After that, if we have the headache, we can use this one, the ointment, put a little amount on our forehead, and then massage again. After a few minutes, we can drink tap or warm water, because one of the reasons why we experience the headache because we are dehydrated. So it could be, it is dehydration. So drinking tap water or warm water will really help or solve the headache. But if the headache is caused by financial matters, that's another story. And so I was only kidding. And so if we want to go to sleep really, fight against insomnia, we can do this, no? Depending upon the condition, but we can do this 10 to 15 minutes, and after that, drink hot water. Not water, but milk, because hot milk is really an antidote to insomnia. It can solve really, no? And then after the head massage, get hairbrush and do the traditional 100 brushing of head, 100 strokes. This is based on my experience, and believe me, it really helps. It helps me to go to sleep right away. So in a couple of minutes, our eyelid will really signal that it's time for me. It's time for us to go to sleep. And so these are the very simple steps, practical steps on how to feel better, sleep better, cure the headache, and fight or overcome the problem of insomnia. And so I hope we have learned something today, practical way, and I have shared with you something of value. So again, we have to use this one, the ointment for headache, the hairbrush for the finishing touches, the 100 strokes, and this one, the head massager. So this is really a very effective thing, no? So thank you so much for watching. I hope we have learned something new or practical ways to feel better, sleep better, cure the headache, and to overcome insomnia. So again, have a good and godly day, everyone. And if you like the content of this channel, feel free to subscribe and click the bell button. So please remember, God loves you and me. Again, have a good and godly day, everyone. Bye-bye until next vlog.